Nobody could be that clever.
I know what you're capable of.
She was saving you.
Yes, like I said, human error.
Like breath on a mirror.
Hello, Doctor. Why would you even do that?
I made a vow, remember? To look after you. Stay close to me and I will keep you safe from him, I promise you.
I had a duty of care.
Not like this.
Please, will you do this for me? Please.
Why did you do this?
I was trying to protect you. Keep you safe.
I never asked you to.
Please. Hey, for me. It's like I had one job. I had one job.
You throw away your life because you've come to assume that it'll bounce right back into your lap.
This phone call,
It's my note. That's what people do, don't they?
leave a note.
Can be bludgeoned, tortured, but never broken, not even by me. It's vulnerable, impermanent, but stronger than you know, and more valuable than you can imagine.
Impossible, girl.
Because love, it's not an emotion. Love is a promise. She's my friend. She's under my protection.
There's something I should say. I'd love to say always, and I never have. Since it's unlikely we'll never meet again, I might as well say it now.
Everything you're about to say, I already know.
You do?